So I think they're at the point, lowest point they're going to go. You have the purple wristband to go down there, so that's a tour included with a tour. So the rest of ours is going to be kind of like right up here, you know, not up there, which was where the rim walk is. We're going to be down here in the inner sanctum. So actually it wasn't as far down, like as many stairs down as I thought we were going to get. I think it is as low down as I thought we would get. So you can see here they must be going one way or another across that bridge, and one of them do have rafting. I don't know which tours do and do not have rafting, but it does look pretty awesome. I mean, look at that. Can you imagine rafting in there with walls like that? That's pretty cool. So just gonna walk along here. Good afternoon, everybody. We are here in Ausable, New York, I believe, at Ausable Chasm. This is a place I just found on Google while we were staying in Burlington, Vermont. That was just across Lake Champlain from where we are. So we figure we got a day off, got nothing to do. It's a beautiful day here, middle of June. Why not go for a ride across the lake here in New York and see a place or two? So first place today, we go to Ausable Chasm. It is what you think it is. It's a river that's really just like a big canyon that you can get into. It's a lot of like water sports, so like rafting and canoeing, kayaking, that type of thing through the water, right through the chasm. We can't do that because we have a 6 or 7 month old now, so there is some walking and hiking we can do along the trails to get good views. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the visitor center because this is a privately owned thing and not like a state park or a national park. So we have to get in and pay and see what we can do, and we'll get in there so that you can see the visitor center is just in here. We actually got a spot in the big lot, which is nice, but there is additional parking along the way. Got some great views from that bridge coming in over there, you probably saw. So we're really excited to get some awesome views and go on a nice little hike today. Okay, let's get in, get our tickets. So we got our tickets. It was like 56 bucks for the two of us, and this is just the hiking and biking trail, or the hiking trails. Showed us the map here, and there's 3 trails here that we have access to. So we're gonna follow this yellow one over here, and we get here, it splits and we get a choice. So this is kind of like, she said, this is just like woods. Up on this orange one, this green one just walks along the ledge, and then the yellow one will go down into the chasm. It has lots of stairs up and down. We can choose whatever we want to do, and then when we get to the end, there is a bus stop here at 1 mile, and we can continue on to the 2 mile, and there's also a bus stop there. So our plan is to follow the yellow one down into the chasm, and then when we get up here, we'll decide what we want to do. If we want to walk back, or if we want to go down to the 2 mile trail, or the 1 mile, and take the bus back. So let's go ahead, start getting our feet under us here. Oh, gotta get his glasses straightened out there a little bit. There we go, and his hat a little straightened. There we go, looking good. Okay. So it says it's only about a mile, but we're gonna have some up and down and stuff like that. Should be an hour or two. We'll see. You got the Strava on your watch going?
Starting to connect. Yes.
Okay. So let's go ahead and start getting some of these first views and get to something a little more exciting than this. So this first stop here on the trail is called Elephant's Head. So it looks like this rock formation here with this two chasms, which is right there. Cool. So you can see there's the head and the trunk right there. You can kind of see down into the chasm. Wow. Looks so cool. Okay. So this is kind of a spur trail on the trail that we're supposed to follow. So we talked to
1 mile.
yeah, the lady up there. She's like, it's like 200 feet down this way. Then you have to come back, and then we have to get to the trails. We have to cross over.
Cross the bridge, but not the road.
Cross the bridge, but not the road. So follow the yellow markers. Cross the bridge, but not the road. Okay. So let's continue on here to the trails. So here we are, and this is where the three trails all split here. So we are going to do the inner sanctum. Still good to do the inner sanctum?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to do the inner sanctum. You can do the rim walk, which just keeps you above on the rim, kind of like what we've been doing so far. Or you can do the little dry chasm, which they said is just kind of like a woods walk. It has whatever the dry chasm would be, because it says whatever that is the dry chasm. Maybe it's just a chasm that's dry and it's just a hole there.
We are here.
So there we are at the split. So we're gonna head continue down this yellow trail here, down on the inner sanctum. So let's go follow the yellows.
Brick road.
Yellow brick road.
Yeah.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Okay. Elephant's Head again. I think we're on top of it now. Yeah, so here we are sitting on top of the Elephant's Head. Okay, So I think we are at the point of the lowest they're gonna basically let us go.
If you can.
You just spit up.
Oh. I heard something.
So I think they're at the lowest point they're gonna go. You have the purple wristband to go down there, so that's a tour included with a tour. So the rest of ours is gonna be kind of like right up here, you know, not up there, which was where the rim walk is. We're gonna be down here in the inner sanctum. So actually it wasn't as far down, like as many stairs down as I thought we were gonna get. I think it is as low down as I thought we would get. So you can see here they must be going one way or another across that bridge, and one of them do have rafting. I don't know which tours do and do not have rafting, but it does look pretty awesome. I mean, look at that. Can you imagine rafting in there with walls like that? That's pretty cool. So just gonna walk along here and just enjoy these views. Okay, so we got to the end of the inner sanctum trail, so now we're heading up. There's a little bit more of the actual trail, it's just kind of up on the rim. Oh, look at that. They're raising down one of the rafts. So you can see they store them up here, and they're lowering one down right now for the rafting down there. That's cool. So that must be where they put in for the raft stuff, kind of after all the rapids and all that. So since we're at the kind of the end of the yellow part of the hike, I kind of describe it as like it is lots of stairs up and down. You need to be pretty good on your feet. I think the average person will be just fine on it, just taking your time. Probably only took us maybe half an hour to do the whole thing, taking our time, so that's good. Wasn't quite as many stairs as I thought, but it was quite a bit of stairs, and there wasn't a lot of places to stop and sit. So if you do need to stop and sit, that's not really going to be too much of an option until the end like we have here. So let's take a quick break, and then we'll get back to the rest of our trail walking here. Okay, so I think we're coming to another junction here, as you can see, and we're going to cross back over the chasm now as we head back to the bus stop. Did you want to, I think from here it's just bus stop, or we do one of these trails? Do you want to do one of the trails? Do you want to go to the bus stop? How do you feel?
I feel like maybe the bus.
You want to do the bus?
We have something else going on later.
You can see a couple rafters deep back there. They were launching them over here, where we showed them before. They were launching them like right there.
Very narrow.
Yeah.
At least it's not like fast though.
Yeah.
You would literally just be able to fit right through there.
Cool. So I think we're gonna head back on the bus. Actually, bus stop 1 is what we want to head to. Should be straight ahead. So let's go there.
We got something else going on. So.
Yeah. And I think the plan would be to eventually come back here when we can, you know, do the rafting and stuff like that and other exciting things. There's a lot of stuff up here in New York that you can do, so there's many reasons to come back to the area. So this was like the big thing. We wanted to just see it, so we definitely saw it. Next time we'll try to do it, but we need everybody to be over 5 years old, so can't really do everything right now. Okay, so bus stop number 1 is just up here. So we made it here to the bus stop. So you can see the sign. Let's see, that's the thing. This looks like where the bus turns around up here. There's the bus stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. If you like the video, hit the like button now. Comment. You have any comments, questions? Let me know what the rafting and all that's like. I'd be interested if you've done that, what that's like. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We got plenty more just like this. We're heading to another spot right now here in the area. So until then, we'll see you in the next one.